Guys, all the cars that you see in these videos are for sale on my website, www.woodsandbarclay.com. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the series on the 1996 Land Cruiser. Excuse the background noise. There's a Bobcat that just cranked up over here. But today I am up at Dry Ice Detailing Pros. They're here in Georgia, up in the Alpharetta area. But the Land Cruiser is in here. I went ahead and had them clean up the undercarriage, and you guys are going to be blown away by how nice this looks. So let's go in here and let's take a look. And guys, here's Bobby. He runs the shop here.
What's up? What's up?
How's it going, Bobby?
Good.
Bobby, how long have you guys been in business?
We've been in business here in Atlanta this is our 3rd year.
All right.
We also have a shop in Houston. That's our 4th year, so we've been open there 4 years.
So Houston and Atlanta, those are the two locations.
Yep.
And you guys see a lot of Land Cruisers, don't you? Because when I came in here, there were two Land Cruisers. There was one right there, and then there was one over here.
Yep, we had about 3 or 4 that week, but yeah, we do get a lot of Land Cruisers.
So Land Cruisers are very popular.
Very popular, yeah. And you know, people use them over the years, and they get a little dirty.
So how did this one go? What did you think of this vehicle?
This one turned out really, really good. You know, considering its years and mileage.
Pretty amazing, huh?
How it came in, it's in really, really good shape.
Well, let's go take a look.
Let's check it out.
All right, guys, I'm going to go in here under the lift. We'll just start back here at the back. And, well, I mean, first thing I'll point out is look at the rear differential. All of the original paint is on there. You can see some of it's chipped off. That's normal. But this is all the original paint. All the, you can see the zinc plating is still on all the original parts back here. Yeah, it just cleaned up. The sway bar is beautiful. The bushings are beautiful condition. Yeah, check out the muffler up here. Yeah, original Toyota. This came out maybe the best. I like this.
Yeah.
I mean, it looked pretty damn good to start with, but this is remarkable. There you go. Look at the control arms back here. There we go. There's the rear diff. You can see some of the original paint is chipped off in some areas, but you guys, that's normal on a 30-year-old vehicle. This is remarkable condition. Let's walk around and, well, here's the transfer case, the aluminum transfer case. That is beautiful condition. All the zinc plating is still on all the bolts up here. And of course, I think you guys said you took off the skid plates when you cleaned under here.
So we did take off these 2 skid plates just to give us more access, so we can, you know, clean it up, make it look, get access to more areas so that it's consistent.
Yeah, it looks nice.
So yeah, all that turned out really
good. Yeah, got under here on the transmission. Wow, look how good that looks. It looks new.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You can see under the oil pan area. Yeah, that's beautiful. Again, look at the original brake lines. How beautiful they are. And of course you have your little nicks and stuff. Normal surface rust on the you know, differential. That's all normal stuff. This looks really nice. Normally these are, you know, after so many years these are leaking, but this had such low mileage. The Burfield joint, I can still see the felt seals here are still good. It's not all messy underneath here. Yeah, see over here, guys, all these felt seals are still in place, in excellent condition. Just cleaned up super nice. See if we can get a shot from under here. Yeah, that looks remarkable. Let me walk to the back and show you guys another shot. I like the lights under here. It makes it look really easy to see everything. Yeah, there we go. Super clean. I mean, easily one of the nicest examples in the world. Definitely in the United States. So before I lower it down, we also, you know, took off the center caps, and they also cleaned all in the original wheels, and those just came out remarkable. Yeah, look at the hubs back there. The hubs still have the original paint on them. Let's go look at the other side over here. Yeah, guys, that looks beautiful. Now, of course, I've got the center caps to put back on. I'll show you those in a second. But yeah, that's the original aluminum alloys. And the paint is still on all the hubs, even the dust cover. That's pretty remarkable. and I'll pop these back on once I get back to the shop. Those are the original caps. You can see absolutely amazing condition. Of course, these are just plastic, guys, but yeah, these are beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and settle up with Bobby, and we'll get this thing off the lift. I'll get it back to the shop. I want to do, you know, change the fluids and filters, and there's a couple more items I want to do on the vehicle. And then we're going to get it over to Scott Dargis. He's going to do the external detailing, you know, buffing, polishing, waxing, all of that. And stay tuned. You're going to see all the videos on this amazing diesel Land Cruiser. See you guys next time.